Hello again. Today we are going to be making a pencil or pen. I haven't made up my mind yet. This is a spalted maple that we're going to be making it out of. This is a particularly interesting cut because you can see the pattern of the spalting. There's a little bit of ambrosia in here. This is the regular maple over here, and it kind of intertwines inside this particular blank. I chose it for this because it just looks cool. It should make a really interesting looking pen. What I'm expecting is like this little piece of regular maple will probably go away because it doesn't go to the center of the pen, but it does go to the center of the pen over here, so it should be like a light colored regular maple on this end of it, which kind of transitions into the ambrosia with the black lines from the spalting going through it. This should look pretty nice when it's all said and done. Again, probably going to pair it up with a gold kit is my best guess on this one. Haven't made up my mind if it's going to be a pencil or a pen yet. But anyway, let's get to making it and see what this one looks like. Thanks. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Got a nice wet sanded micromesh finish on it now. CA, there's several coats of it as you saw me put on. I even put an extra layer of thin inside on the very first couple layers just to make sure I got it on right. Let's see here. I don't see anywhere where I went through the finish, which is really easy to do with this type of finish. It looks like it went on pretty uniform, and it's nice and shiny. As I was saying, it's going to basically transition from like a lighter to the ambrosia maple over here, but it's going to have the spalting in between. Pretty cool looking. I think I might pair it up with maybe a gold pencil kit. If you're interested in picking this one up, by all means, check out the link below that goes to my Etsy shop. I'll link this exact listing for this one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.